So one of the remaining things I needed to do on the rear axle was to identify and refit these rear brake cable fasteners. Managed to get a new one of these from a website. It turns out that the part number for this is good and there is stock, but get this one, which goes into the offside rear, is no longer available. It's an obsolete item. But you can still get hold of the near side rears. Bit weird really, isn't it? So we'll crack on with these and get these installed. So it's quite tight to get into. So essentially it goes into let me just point this out. It goes into there. There's a little recess. Okay, so I'm not sure if this is going to show it. Take the clip, make sure it's sat in that sort of orientation, and then you simply just squeeze this together, push it into the recess. Once you've got it to roughly where you need, twist the cable on and then push it further in, and there you go. That is one clip in, and that just stays there. It doesn't move anywhere else. If that actually showed it. Yeah, there's the clip in place. It's really difficult trying to film with this because it's just not enough room. But yeah, there we go. So that's all in place, and then what we've got to do now is just do the other side.